Understanding the type code for the MHD synchronous motors. The MHD093B-035-NP0-BA. MHD indicates this is a servo motor. 093 indicates the motor has a centering diameter of 130 mm. B denotes the 17.5 Nm continuous torque at standstill. 035 refers to the winding type of 035. N means the motor has a digital servo feedback encoder with relative position detection. P indicates the motor has a keyed shaft with a shaft seal. 0 means there is not a holding brake installed. B denotes that the power connector faces to side B. A indicates that it cools via natural convection. Frequently asked questions. What is the peak current? This MHD has a peak current of 58.0 amps. What is the rated speed of the motor? The rated speed is 2,500 revolutions per minute. What is the motor's rated frequency? The motor has a rated frequency of 167 Hz. What is the protection rating? IP65 is the protection rating. How much does the motor weigh? The motor weighs 19.0 kilograms. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth motor sales and replacements.